I'm Tom Baldetti, and I'm the owner of Louisa Foods in St. Louis. Now, we've been involved with toasted ravioli for a long time. This is a company that was started by my uncle in 1964. The recipes were largely based upon recipes that were my grandmother's, Louisa. We've thought about this a lot as to what makes toasted ravioli kind of special, and I think it's kind of like part appetizer, part entree. You know, I have 3 grown kids now, and I remember growing up, they would want it in the house for when they had friends over. Versus the unbreaded products, there's something that you do for a quick dinner. So we'll serve this either with the sauce or a lot of times with butter and grated cheese. There's meat and vegetables inside, so it really kind of forms a complete meal. We say taste the fresh difference. We're saying fresh because of all the ingredients we use that are fresh, and then difference because we really feel like that does make us different. I mean, there's some great food products out there, but most of them really don't utilize fresh ingredients to the extent that we do. You know, I think food is about memories, and I'm just so grateful for all the people in St. Louis that have made us part of their memories, and I hope it's been as good for them as it's been for us.